Hello students, so today's topic is polynomials, and in the polynomials we are going to learn about remainder theorem. Okay, now you have done polynomials in your beginning exercise, that you know what is a polynomial, what is the degree of a polynomial, everything you know. Now here what we are going to do is we need to find the remainder when we divide a polynomial with another polynomial. Okay, so normal division, you know what happens in a normal division whenever you divide a number by something. Let's say I'm dividing 11 by 2. So when I divide it, I will get a remainder 1. That what I'm getting is remainder 1. Same thing is over here also. When I divide a polynomial with a polynomial in variable x with the polynomials with variable x, I get a remainder. Okay, you will also get a remainder, or maybe the remainder is 0, then it becomes a factor. But in this case, these type of problems what we are doing today, we will get a remainder. Okay, so let's check what this remainder theorem is. So it states that let px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. So you should have a polynomial जिसका कोई degree होना चाहिए, degree 1 or greater than 1 can be, and let a be any real number. A is any real number. So if px is divided by a linear polynomial, you're dividing by a linear polynomial, not with the quadratic or a cubic one. So you're dividing by a linear polynomial, then the remainder is given by p of a. Okay, you will understand it with an example. So it says that you have a polynomial, something like this: ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, let's say, and I'm dividing it by x. I'm not taking x minus here, I'll say x minus, let us say 2. इससे मैं divide कर रही हूँ. Okay, so this 2 is a real number. Yeah, so if I divide it by 2, x minus 2, this polynomial, so the remainder, how will I get that? I'll find out this meaning that instead of x in this whole polynomial, I'll put x as 2. So you jayega a2 cube plus b2 square, like that, and you solve it, you will get the remainder. Okay, this is the way you solve it. So let's begin and understand this remainder theorem with the help of example. Fine. So the question number 1, which says that we have a polynomial px, it's this, and it is divided by gx, which is this linear polynomial. This is a cubic polynomial. You need to find the remainder using remainder theorem. Okay, so what does remainder theorem says? That if it is divided by this, so the g of x is this thing, so I put it as 0. So when you put g of x as 0, you get x as minus 1. Okay, fine. So what do you have to find out? You need to find out p of minus 1. P of x, I'll write here. What was that? X cube minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1. So put करते हैं यहाँ पे x की जगह I'll substitute the value what? Minus 1. Minus 1 cube minus 2 into minus 1 square minus 4 into minus 1 minus 1. Now whenever you have minus 1 cube, any number का negative cube, just take care of negative signs because this will come as minus 1 only. Minus 2 into plus 1 because it is minus 1 ka whole square. 1, so minus 2 only. This is minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 and minus 1. What remainder you are getting if you solve it? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 1 is minus 4. यहाँ तो remainder 0 आ रहा है. It is exactly dividing. Yeah. So remainder is 0, so it is a factor. So let's check if we got it correct or no. Long division, I hope you people know. Because what I'm going to tell you right now is let's find out this by long division also. Because long division also is there in your portion, and you might be getting a question in which you have to factorize it completely. Okay. So, so to do this, you know x, what should you multiply by x to get x cube? Means आपको नॉर्मल डिवीजन करना है, जैसे करते हैं ना 2 के टेबल से, अगर आपको करना है 25 तो आप देखते हो ना 2 1 जा 2, या अगर 15 होता है तो फिर आप देखते हो इससे छोटा क्या आएगा, सो 7 जा 14, लाइक दैट. तो यहाँ पे आपको इसको सेम बनाना है, x इंटू वॉट इज एक्स क्यूब, सो x इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर, x इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर एक्स क्यूब, बट इट्स अ पॉलिनोमियल, सो ये 1 भी एक्स स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, तो 1 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर, it's only x square. Now you subtract, when you subtract the sign changes, cancels it. So minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3x square. Bring down this thing, minus 4x minus 1. I brought everything down. Now it's minus 3x square and this is x. So x multiplied by minus 3x will give you minus 3x square. Okay, and 1 into this is minus 3x. So it's a sign change. Let's do. So this cancels out, minus plus, and this is minus plus, minus x minus 1. I bring it down. माइनस एक्स माइनस वन, तो मेरे को सिर्फ माइनस वन से मल्टीप्लाई करना है टू मेक इट माइनस एक्स माइनस वन. And if I change this sign, it cancels and 0. Yeah, so the remainder is coming here as 0. Okay, sometimes you won't get 0, you will get some value also. Fine. I hope this part is clear, everyone. Yeah, the question is clear that whenever you need to find the remainder, just take this polynomial with which you have to divide equals to 0, get the value of x, put this value of x in the polynomial, and you will get your remainder. Is that clear? Now let's move to the next question. Next question says that if the polynomial, this one is a polynomial, and this polynomial leaves the same remainder when divided by this, find the value of a. Okay, so I have two polynomials, p of z एक है z square plus 3z minus 4, दूसरा I'll take it as g of z, z cube minus 4z plus a. Now they both are divided by z minus 3. So let me take it as y of z as z minus 3. So from here, when you put it as 0, so z comes out to be 3. So what do you have to find out? You need to find out p of 3 and you need to find out g of 3, and they both are equal. It is given that the remainders are same. Okay, so I am going to do it directly. मैं यहीं पे डायरेक्ट लिखती हूँ a 3 cube because it's 3 plus 4 3 square. I'm putting the value of z as 3, yeah, plus 3 into 3 minus 4 is equals to z cube. So again 3 cube minus 4 into 3 plus a. आप separate भी निकाल के फिर equate कर सकते हो. It's up to you. I'm doing it here like this. So 3 cube 27a, 4 9s are 36 plus 9 minus 4, 3 3s are 9 होता है. So इधर again 27 minus 12 plus a. Okay, अभी 36 प्लस 5 41 हो गया ये. अब आपने अगर सेपरेट सॉल्व करा होगा तो आपके पास ये वैल्यू आया होगा p ऑफ 3 का. ओके, और यहाँ सॉल्व करा होगा तो आपके पास वैल्यू आया होगा 15 प्लस a. आई होप दिस पार्ट इज क्लियर. ठीक है, अभी मुझे इनको इक्वेट करना है. सो ब्रिंग a हेयर, कांस्टेंट टर्म हेयर. सो 27a माइनस a इज 15 माइनस 41. ओके, ट्रांसपोजिशन हुआ है तो साइन चेंज्ड. फाइन स्टूडेंट्स. Now 27 minus a is what? 26a is equals to minus 26 here also, because आप minus करोगे तो ये आएगा. So a is minus 26 by 26 minus 1. So a का value क्या आ गया मेरे पास? minus 1. This is what I was supposed to do. Yes, आपको सिर्फ क्या निकालना था? Find out the value of a. So I hope clear है ये. Yes or no? आपको क्या करना है? सिर्फ you have to take this, ये जो डिवाइजर है, डिवाइजर ही है ना आपका, और ये आपके दिस इज डिवाइजर है, ये सारे की दोनों डिविडेंड है. फाइन. तो डिवाइजर को जब डिविडेंड को जब डिवाइजर से डिवाइड करते हो तो रिमाइंडर आता है. तो ये डिवाइजर लेना है, डिवाइजर को इक्वल्स टू 0 करना है. यू विल गेट z एज 3. वो 3 को आपको पॉलिनोमियल में रखना है z की जगह, इस पॉलिनोमियल में भी रखना है, और दोनों के रिमाइंडर्स इक्वल हैं. सो यू हैव टू पुट देम, इक्वेट देम इक्वल. ओके, और आपके पास a का वैल्यू आ जाएगा. अभी एक डिफरेंट टाइप का क्वेश्चन करते हैं, सेम वे, रिमाइंडर थ्योरम ओनली. Let's do this third question. Very important question this is. Okay students, let r1 and r2 are the remainders when the polynomials, one polynomial is this and this polynomial, are divided by this and this respectively. If 2r1 plus r2 is 6, find the value of a. इसमें भी a ही वेरिएबल है, निकालना है हमको. बट यहाँ पे क्या है, दो डिफरेंट वेरिएबल, दो डिफरेंट रिमाइंडर्स आ रहे हैं. यस, सो पहला पॉलिनोमियल ले लेती हूँ p ऑफ x. क्या है? एक्स क्यूब प्लस 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 5ax माइनस 7. ओके, इफ दिस इज डिवाइडेड बाय x प्लस 1, देन रिमाइंडर क्या है आपका? देन रिमाइंडर इज r1. ओके, सो x प्लस 1 को हम 0 पुट करते हैं तो x क्या आया? माइनस 1. मीनिंग हमको क्या निकालना है? p ऑफ माइनस 1. p ऑफ माइनस 1 इज माइनस 1 क्यूब प्लस 2 माइनस 1 स्क्वायर माइनस 5 इंटू a इंटू माइनस 1 माइनस 7, और ये जो रिमाइंडर है दिस इज r1. ओके, ये r1 आएगा. सॉल्व करते हैं। -1 +2 +5a -7, -1 +2 इज 1, -6 हो जाएगा ये, -6 +5a क्या हुआ, R1 का वैल्यू आ गया है। गॉट इट स्टूडेंट्स, इतना पार्ट इज क्लियर, फाइन। अभी मेरे पास दूसरा पॉलिनोमियल लेती हूँ मैं। लेट मी टेक द सेकंड पॉलिनोमियल एज g of x which is x cube plus ax square minus 12x plus 6। इसको मुझे डिवाइड करना है किससे, व्हेन इट इज डिवाइडेड बाय x plus 2 को 0 पुट करेंगे, x is -2। लेट मी कैलकुलेट g of -2। should I check it? Yeah, the value is negative sign. Let's check once again. So -2 cube plus a into -2 square minus 12 into -2 plus 6. So what will I get? -8 because 2 cube negative -2 का cube है, and then this will be plus 4a plus 24 plus 6. Okay, 30 minus 8 होगा 22. So 22 plus 4a, ये क्या है, ये है रिमाइंडर 2। दिस इज व्हाट, रिमाइंडर 2, क्योंकि सेकेंड वाले का बोला था यू विल गेट रिमाइंडर 1, रिमाइंडर R1 R2 एज द टू रिमाइंडर्स फॉर फर्स्ट वन एंड द सेकेंड वन रेस्पेक्टिवली। क्लियर? लेट्स क्रॉस चेक, कहीं पे कोई मिस्टेक तो नहीं हुआ है। -1 क्यूब, I hope that's correct. Now, a condition they have given that if 2R1 plus R2 is 6. So I'll write that 2R1 plus R2 is given as 6. So R1 का वैल्यू मुझे पता है क्या है, -6 plus 5 है। R2 का वैल्यू 22 plus 4 है, this is 6। सॉल्व करते हैं इसको। -12 plus 10a plus 4a is 6। 10a plus 4a क्या हो जाएगा, like terms 14a, 22 minus 12 is 10, so 14a is 6 minus 10 which is -4। so a का वैल्यू आ रहा है मेरे पास क्या, -4/14 which is -2/7। okay, so I'm getting the value of a as -2/7। okay, I hope this is correct what we got. Let's cross check once more what we have done. X cube plus 2x square minus 5x minus 7 minus 1 cube plus 2 minus 1 square minus 5 minus 1, that's correct. -1 2 plus 5a minus 7 minus 5 and -1, so that'll be -6 only. This part is correct. Here also it was correct only. -2 cube is 8 minus 8, 4a and 24 and 630 minus 8 22, that's also correct. 22 plus 4a, so -12 plus 10a, 22 plus 4a plus is equals to 6, so it's 10 and 14, that's also correct. So we got this answer. I hope this is clear to you all. Yeah, why I cross checked is थोड़ा सा weird लगा मुझे ये आंसर आने के बाद, फ्रैक्शन में आया, yes, but yeah, this is coming as a correct answer only. Okay students, so practice this. I hope it's clear from the video that what you have to do in the remainder theorem. So if you understand the concept of remainder theorem, do like the video, share it. Okay, and keep practicing. Bye. See you till the next video. Okay.